Have you ever felt like your efforts aren't leading anywhere? Like no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to change? If you've ever been there, let me tell you a story. There was once a man who lived in a small village. Every morning he walked miles to fetch water from a well. One day he noticed a huge rock standing in the middle of his path. It was heavy, unmovable. Most people just walked around it. But this man, he stopped and thought, what if I could move it? Each day, after collecting water, he would push the rock, just a little. It didn't move. People laughed at him, saying he was wasting his time. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Still, nothing happened. But he didn't stop. He kept pushing, kept trying. And then, one morning, he placed his hands on the rock, took a deep breath, and pushed again. And this time, it moved. Not much, just an inch. But it moved. The laughter turned into silence. The silence turned into whispers. And then, after days of effort, with one final push, the rock rolled away, clearing the path forever. Here's the thing. Success is never instant. The first push won't move the rock, maybe not even the 100th. But every single effort builds strength, makes you better, and gets you closer. The world will tell you that you're wasting your time, that your dreams are too big. But remember this, nothing great happens overnight. It's the small, consistent efforts that lead to the biggest changes. So whatever your rock is in life, don't stop pushing. Keep going, keep believing, because one day when you least expect it, that rock will move. If this story inspired you, let me know in the comments. What's the one thing you refuse to give up on? And if you believe in the power of small steps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.